Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you Instagram story idea for Valentine's Day. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application, this one, and I'm going to go to the story menu right here. I'm just going to click on your story, and then I'm going to go to the templates to get Valentine's Day template. Okay, and I recommend you to use this trending Valentine's Day template from the Add Yours template. I'm just going to choose this one, and I'm going to add my photo to this template. You can take new photo by clicking on this camera button, or you can upload photo from your gallery. And for instance guys, I'm going to add photos from my gallery. Okay, for the first photo we need to add someone we love. I'm just going to pick a random photo from here. Wait, I'm going to choose for example this one. Okay, and then we need to add the picture of us. I'm going to add a random photo as well. I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and then we need to add a view that we love. I'm just going to pick a random view from here. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, and then food. You can upload the food that you like. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and then we need to add flower that we love, and I have flower picture right here. I'm just going to add this one. Okay, and the last one is the music that we love. I'm just going to add for example this one for the background, and I'm going to click on the check mark. All right, and then I'm going to add music as well to this Instagram story. So I'm going to go to the music, and I'm going to pick random music from here. I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and I'm going to use a music disc. Okay, and I'm going to place it right here. All right, and you can continue the editing guys, or you can just click on your story if you have been satisfied with the result. Okay guys, and that's all of the Instagram story idea for Valentine's Day. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.